Here's something that'll flip how you read your horse. When they yawn, they're almost never sleepy. Horses barely yawn from tiredness at all. That big, jaw-cracking stretch usually means the opposite. It's how they shake off tension. Watch closely, and you'll catch it right after you slip the bridle off, or the second a stressful moment finally passes. That's relief, not fatigue. And here's the part I love. It can be gut-related too. A horse with a churning, uneasy stomach will yawn to cope. Stallions do it more than anyone, almost like a swagger. So next time your horse cracks out a giant yawn, don't assume they're bored of you. They're telling you something just shifted inside them. And now you know how to listen.